Need advice to stop snoring? Try these ideas. If snoring is affecting your quality of life, you need to take matters into your own hands and find a solution for it. This video is chock full of ideas on how you can minimize or eliminate your snoring. Keep watching and see if any of them will work for you. If you would like to stop your snoring, have a look at the pillow configuration that you have on your bed. The higher your head, the less likely you are to snore. Ergo, it is best to either invest in a thicker pillow, or to consider sleeping on multiple pillows to give you the head leverage you need. One way to help keep from snoring is to avoid tranquilizers at bedtime. While tranquilizers might help you sleep faster, they will also relax the muscles that hold your nasal passages fully open. They will contract partially, and air will have a harder time getting through, and you will snore. In order to cut back on snoring, turn over and sleep on your side, not on your back. If you sleep on your back, especially with only one or two pillows, mucus can gather in your nasal passages. Sleeping on your side will keep the mucus out of the passages, and you won't have a blockage that will cause snoring. Not eating a large meal close to bedtime is one of the best ways to prevent snoring. When your stomach is too full, it can make its way up to your diaphragm, thus, limiting your breathing and causing snoring. Stick with big meals at dinner time and have a light snack instead before bed. The things suggested here will hopefully provide you with a solution to your snoring. There is nothing worse than being sleep deprived because of it. If you use these ideas and find one that works for you, you will feel like you've just won the lottery, and I guess, in a way you have. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.